Hello students, we are going to look at this exercise called sentence improvement. Here a sentence will be given and a part of this sentence, maybe one or two words will be italicized, which is usually the error, and instead of that we have to find the suitable replacement. So this is more like spot the error exercise, but the hint is given over there. The italicized word is actually the error. So we look at the first sentence. This is taken from our book for English for Employment from page number 81. So you could take your book simultaneously and mark down the answers. The first question: our departure from this place now depends on their coming here. So which is the italicized word here? It is there. Here instead of there, it will be correct when them is used. So the answer is them coming, option A. Second sentence: I told him clearly that he hadn't ought to do that to me. Now, which is the italicized part? He hadn't ought to do. So, instead of that, you have to pick up the opt phrase. Option A, option B. So, which one is correct? It has to be option C. He ought not to have done that to me. So, that will be the correct one. So, when you go on to the third one, having had in the foreign service for a long time, Mr. Verma has met many prominent personalities. So, the sentence itself shows that there's something mistake over there. So, the answer is having been, option B. So the third one is the answer is for the third one answer is option B. Fourth one, Sadashiv would have been looked smart in traditional clothes. So the sentence is wrong here. Would have been would not come over there. So the answer is option A. Would have looked. So fifth one, Venkatesh had occupying this house for over 25 years and has no intention of vacating it now. Had occupying. So this is something I miss over there. Venkatesh had been occupying will be correct. So or otherwise Venkatesh has been occupying is also correct. When we look at this sentence, there is this word for. So when for comes, it is usually in the present perfect continuous tense, like has been occupying. Option A is the right answer. And then sixth one, there is no more room for you in this compartment. So I don't think there's any mistake over here. So this is option D, no improvement. Seventh one, no sooner he had returned home than his mother felt happy. So whenever you see this no sooner, the next word will be had. So no sooner and had he returned home when his mother felt happy. The option is A. So first one, seventh A. Will you lend me few rupees in this hour of need? It can be will you lend me a few rupees? So the option is C, 8C. Are you more cleverer than us? So there is a mistake in the superlative degree over here. I'm sorry, comparative degree. So the option is are you cleverer than us? Option C is the answer. For the ninth one, it's answer option C. Tenth one, in accordance to your instructions, we have remitted the amount in the bank. In accordance to, whenever you see this word accordance, it always is accompanied with the word with. So the option is C, with. 11th one, the performance of our players was rather worse than had expected. Was rather worst than. So when you see this phrase, that is the one which is italicized, and that's the mistake. When you see this than, it is comparative degree, so worst cannot come together with than. So the option is worse than I had expected. Option B. 12th one, it's always better to make people realize the importance of discipline than to impose them on it. So there is something error in this structure, sentence structure. So the option will be option D. Impose it on them. It is always better to make people realize the importance of discipline than to impose it on them. Option D will be the right answer. Then 13th one, the crops are dying, it must not had rained. Again there is a mistake in the sentence structure, so it has to be must not have, like should not have, so the answer is must not have, option C. For the 13th one, it's option C. 14th one, they were all shocked at his failure in the competition. So I don't think there's any mistake here, so it is no improvement. Option D. The 15th one, he's too impatient for tolerating any delay. Instead of for tolerating, I guess to tolerate can be more appropriate. So for the 15th one, it's option A, to tolerate. We go on to the 16th one. I want to immediately reply the latter. So the latter means, the second person or another person. So there is again a mistake here. You could choose the option B. That is, I want to reply the latter immediately. Then 17th one. If I were him, I would not have accepted the offer. The sentence seems to be correct, but it would be more correct if it is I were he. So option C. If I were he, I would not have accepted the offer. 18th one, she resembles to her mother. So whenever this word resembles comes, there's no preposition after that. You could just simply write she resembles her mother. So the right option answer is option C. 19th one, let you and I do this work. You could write let you and me do this work. Option B. Option 20, he applied to work diligently. The answer is he applied for work diligently. So there's a mistake in the preposition here. So with this, the exercise on sentence improvement gets over. Thank you.